Okay, let me just wait a couple more minutes, see if anybody else is joining us. Okay, let's get started. I want to welcome everyone to Epic FX Academy Mentorship Orientation. Actually, this orientation is just to answer any questions that you may all have on top of explaining how everything's going to be conducted. So for the most part, thank you all for joining today. And I want to reiterate that if you haven't had time to go through the course, check it out when you get a moment. We'll be covering that during the entire duration of this mentorship. However, it's also beneficial if you can go through the course, even if on 2 times speed or 3 times speed of each video. It's going to be beneficial for you, and it's going to allow you to follow along with what we're doing, right? So the way we're going to run this course is today we have the intro day. On Saturday, May 6th, we'll be covering the candles seminar. So we'll have a webinar. It's covering what you'll learn in the full course about candles, and then also the opportunity to answer any questions that you may have regarding candles. On Sunday, we'll be doing a live simulation, which is a way to back test. One evening of a live simulation, or even just a couple hours of a live simulation, is equivalent to 6 months of demo trading. So it's very, very crucial and beneficial, and it's going to really increase your ability to trade. And then we'll have live trading next week, beginning on the 9th of May, as well as on the 11th of May. So those will be, the live trading will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And it's really an opportunity for you to see how we can use this strategy and the skills that we learn in this mentorship in the actual markets, right? Because we're all here to learn how to trade the markets, correct? And then that following Saturday will be the range seminar. Again, another sort of piece from the course, opportunity to ask any questions that you have about range, which is support and resistance. And then the following day after that, that Sunday, the 14th, we'll be back testing. And then again on Tuesday and Thursday that week, we'll be doing live trading. And then next Saturday, which will be our almost our third week, we'll be doing a trade setup seminar. So the opportunity to see the criteria of entering a trade, what type of trade you're interested in when you see your setup developing, or sort of the setups that we trade and we look for, mostly breakout setups. So we're breakout trading. After that, the following day, we'll be doing back testing again. And then our final week of live trading will be on the 21st and the 25th that week, that Tuesday and Thursday. Again, another opportunity to see how we actually apply these methods and the strategy to the live markets. And then on that Sunday, the 28th, we'll have an opportunity to cover MetaTrader, even TradingView, if you guys have any questions and things you'd like to know about TradingView, etc. And then the final conclusion, sort of like your graduation day, would be on the 30th. We'll finish the mentorship. This is a light mentorship, just a month. Normally a mentorship should be 3 to 6 months to really grasp what's going on. But again, we'll see how everyone likes the mentorship, and then we can discuss how we can continue maybe for for June. So yeah, welcome. A lot of the communication you'll receive through email, but we'll also be utilizing TradingView quite often. So I think it's important. It's quite important to set up TradingView. I mean, not TradingView. What am I talking about? Telegram. Sorry. We will be using TradingView, but not for communication, for the chart. So actually, you can go over to TradingView. But again, if you go through the course, that information is there: how to set up TradingView, how to use MetaTrader. This mentorship is actually the opportunity to zero in on the questions that you might have regarding those tools. But like I was saying before I mentioned TradingView, I meant to say Telegram. A lot of communication will be via Telegram. So we have the private channel there for the mentees, as well as a public channel there for announcements. So welcome. Looking forward to have you all here. Again, just to reiterate, some communication will be through email, but instant communication, all the latest updates will surely be via Telegram, and for some people, WhatsApp as well. That's pretty much it. Any questions regarding the schedule, regarding expectations? Maybe you want to share your own experience with trading Forex. Feel free to let me know. This is an opportunity to do so now. So here's the schedule. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I have 2 questions. So the live trading sessions, are they going to be around the same time, around this time?
The live trading sessions will be New York session. So those live trading sessions are going to start around 6:30 p.m.
30 p.m. And you're looking at Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay. All right, great. Thank you.
Yeah. Those live trading sessions will be around 6:30 p.m. The seminars will be around 1 p.m. And the back testing will be around 1 p.m. So you have a seminar on Saturday, webinar. You'll have the back testing on Sundays. Those will both be at 1 p.m. unless there is a preference for a different time for Saturdays and Sundays. So far, all of those will be 1 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. Does anyone have any specific times in regards to Saturdays and Sundays about the time we will have the back testing or seminars? Or does 1 p.m. work for everyone?
Yeah, it works for me.
So
Yeah, I want to meet you.
awesome. So in regards to the live trading, the reason the live trading is at 6:30 because this is a New York, pre-New York session. It's one of the times that the most volume is in the market and trading, whether it's stocks or Forex. So the actual markets will open up at 8 a.m., which will be 8 p.m. on this side of the world in Asia, which most of us are in. And that'll be 8 a.m. in New York. So it'll be around 8 p.m. in Bali. And I believe it's around 7 p.m. in Jakarta. So that's the reason why it's like at 6:30. So it'll be 6:30 p.m. in Bali. That'll be 5:30 p.m. in Jakarta. We'll probably be trading that session from about maximum about 3 hours, but again, it depends on how long you can be there and whatnot, but we'll be looking for a trade within that time frame.
I have a question. I'm sorry. The live sessions, do we need to have like a demo account to actually do it with you, or is it more so we should like just observe?
Yeah, it'd be nice if you had a demo account because then there's going to be a lot of questions that's going to arise while you're attempting to follow along as well.
Mhm.
So it's not a bad idea. It gives you the opportunity to practice and get the experience as well.
Mhm. Okay, sounds good. So, uh, would you recommend maybe like a tablet or a laptop, or because I know I can't do it from my phone. Like, do you recommend getting like a high speed laptop or something like that? I mean, because I don't think I'll be able to do it and be on the Zoom on my phone at the same time.
Yeah, I think I prefer using a laptop, and I do recommend, like, I think anyone who wants to take trading serious, they should use maybe a laptop or a tablet.
Mhm.
I personally believe that's the best way to do it. There are many people who are trading from their phone. I don't really see that there's anything wrong with that, but I do encourage that people trade at a place that they can sit down and clear their mind, because actually psychologically the human mind can only make like 2 emotional decisions a day. So on top of like the other distractions that might be occurring in the world, if we're not like some place where we can find comfort and peace, it might be difficult. And by difficult, I mean it might be difficult to make like important decisions such as trading.
Okay. All right, locked in.
Yeah, good question. Okay. Um, if there's no more questions, that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna see you guys on Saturday for the candle seminar. I'll be sending, like I mentioned again, try to make sure you get into the Telegram group, the channel at the very least, because I'll be sending the links and the latest updates to the channel. So it's a good idea if you can get in over there. And then also, I'll see you guys on Saturday. If you have any final questions, let me know. Otherwise, just hit me up anytime. You can hit me up on Telegram or the WhatsApp.
Oh, last question.
Yeah,
Which MetaTrader should we download? 'Cause I know it's like MetaTrader 4 or 5. Like, which one should we use for the demo?
I like to use MetaTrader 5, um, but you don't necessarily have to download it. So in the course, I cover MetaTrader. I think I cover MetaTrader. Let me just double check. Um, but I cover the web version. So if you're on the laptop, you don't actually have to download it. But
Mhm.
if you're not on the laptop, then you can download it onto your phone. I like MetaTrader 5. It's the latest and greatest. And a lot of respectable brokers, they're only available on MetaTrader 5. Some are available on 4 as well, but uh, a lot of brokers and MetaTrader 4 is being obsolete. Let me just double check. Price action mastery course. I can't seem to check this right now, but yeah, I do believe that it's there. It talks about web MetaTrader web. But if you want to download it, you can download it on your phone. I actually have it on my Android as well. But the thing is, like, I don't know, like sometimes people see like in social media, people are in these trades for days. We're not going to be in trades for that long. So um, I think learning how to trade on a computer is brilliant. And then when you have the opportunity to, and you feel comfortable, you'll see you have the ability to trade on the phone effortlessly. Sweet.
Yeah. That's the. I mean, my laptop is super slow though, man. I mean, I feel like I might miss out on opportunities if I don't have like a high speed. Like, I don't know. It seems like my laptop just isn't that quick. So, which like, I mean, can I get like a tablet or something small to kind of begin my trading journey, or do I just don't feel confident with my laptop because it's kind of like it's not really as fast as I want it to be. So would you recommend trying to get a new laptop or try to get something like a tablet to start or
No, a
like
tablet is straight. There's some really dope tablets. Even some dope Chromebooks that are cheap because we're not gonna be downloading anything actually. So if you want to use a Chromebook, which is just focus on web use, everything we'll be doing is on the web, unless the Chromebook doesn't give you access to Zoom. But I feel like it still gives you access to Zoom. But a tablet is also good. But it'd be nice to have a mouse. So I don't know how, I haven't used a tablet in quite some time. So I don't know how actually the tablet is working with the mouse. But if it works with the mouse, I believe that's a good setup right there.
okay, let me play around with it. Hopefully I can see how
You
it
have a
goes.
tablet now?
I have a laptop, but I barely use it, and like I'm just nervous about trying to go into trades and spending money and stuff like that
Yeah.
online with that.
And then it mess around and have you screaming.
I already just like spend my whole what do you call it when you burn your account or whatever? Burn my whole account in one day.
What happened in one day?
Where's it called when you like overdraft your account or when you're trading and then you like
Oh, the drawdown, yeah. Blow your account.
yeah, I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
By clicking the wrong thing and then it says I clicked the right thing. I don't know. I'm trying to make sure I have a good connection and I'm ready.
No, I feel you.
Let me see what's up there.
No, I hear you for sure. All right. All right. So if that's it for today, then we'll all link up again on Saturday. It will be 1 p.m. UTC. So that's 1 p.m. in Bali. And then that's going to be 12 p.m. in Jakarta. Again, if you have any questions in between that time, you can hit me up. We can get on a phone call or just send me a message over to Telegram or WhatsApp as well.
Great.
All right.
Thanks a lot, man.
Okay. I'll see you guys on Saturday.
Yeah, see you.
See you. Thank you.